With me today, I have the Azzuno 135F multi-processing welder that I got off of Amazon. It's a 3-in-1. It does the flux core Mig welding. It also does the stick MMA, and it has the TIG capability, but it does not include the TIG gun or torch. So that's something that you have to purchase separately. But come on in and let's take a closer look. Okay, so my first impressions is this is a really sharp looking unit. I mean, there's nothing cheap looking about this unit. The handle is really big for my big paws. Very solid, very nice handle. It has a rubber bezel that goes around the face. Gives it a rugged appearance. Also has the rubber feet in case you knock it over or drop it out the back of the truck. Around back, on-off switch, fan, and your duty cycle information. 110 input. Around the side, you have your door for your flux core wire. Holds a 2-pound spool. Very nice hinges though. It really is a nice looking unit. It's got good weight. I think it comes in at around 15 pounds. But not too bad. So let's look up close what they include. Here's your MIG gun for your flux core welding. The whip has this plastic vinyl kind of material that encloses it. I'm not sure how that'll hold up. Here's your stinger for your stick welding. Actually feels really nice. Not a bad stinger. If you look inside, you have grooves that are cut out. I don't know if you can see that there. That hold that stick different angles. Here's the grounding clamp. It's not too bad. I'm sure you'll be changing that a few times. Wire brush chipping hammer. I've seen better, but it's free. 1 pound roll of 030 wire they include. User manual and a few extra tips for your 030 and 035 wire. So in case you guys had a cart that y'all wanted to put this unit on, go ahead and size it up for you. It is 13 by roughly 10 by 6 is the dimensions. Weighs about 12 pounds. The whip on the MIG gun, I believe, is 6 foot, and the same with your grounding cable. So here's the control panel. There you have your voltage. You have your 030. This is your stick, your TIG, and your 035. Now they have a feature on here, the Synergic feature, that syncs both the wire feed speed and voltage together, and kind of makes it easier on you if you're a new welder. You're just going to select what wire you have, and you're going to hold that button down, and the Synergy light will illuminate, and that just kind of helps you out, helps match that wire speed and voltage together, makes it easier on you. But if you don't want to use that, hold that button down, turn it off, and you can adjust that wire feed speed and voltage yourself. So in order to attach the MIG gun, you're going to take that little tab there Make sure that's upright. Insert and give a little twist. And then we're going to attach this for the wire feed. And that just screws in place like that. And then this would be where you attach your grounding clamp or your stick. So I can't say enough about the Azzuno 135F. It's a great little welder. It's held up. It's done everything that I've asked. I've actually purchased a couple of these. The first one that I had a problem with the feed adjustment. It was stuck at that one speed. No matter what I did, I couldn't get it to go any faster. So I reached out to Azzuno. They came back to me and they said, look, we'll send you a new welder. It'll be at your doorstep in a few days. I don't think it needed to be replaced, but hey, that's Azzuno and their customer support. So I went back to them and told them how much I appreciated them, their rapid response, and them rectifying my issue very quickly. And I had mentioned to them that I had their 200F in my cart, and it's been in there for about a month. But I was on the fence and I wasn't ready to pull the trigger. I wanted to wait and see how they responded to the first problem that I had with this, and back to me and said, look, we'll just send it to you. Go ahead and look at it and tell us what you think. And that's what I'm going to do in my next video. I'm going to unbox this one, and I may even drag over the Lincoln 140 just to kind of size it up and compare it and look at the quality of each unit and see how it stacks up. And I may even make a third video, because I don't want to just weld two pieces of steel together. I'm going to take the Azzuno 200F and I'm going to make me a headache rack slash roll bar slash exhaust stacks that I'm going to weld up and build for the Titan. Something that I've been wanting to do for a little while, and I think the 200F may be up to the task. So we will put it to the test and see what it's capable of. Guys, we're looking at the Azzuno. Make sure to check it out. I'm here to tell you, Azzuno is legit. Their product support is legit. And for under 150 bucks, you will get a nice welder, portable, compact, and that actually works. So hopefully this content has helped you with your decision. And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And stick around, because we're going to check out the 200F.